WordPerfect Graphics. It is a vector image format from the 90s. LibreOffice Draw can usually convert these old graphics into something usable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a WPG file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A WPG file is a vector graphics file format primarily associated with CorelDRAW. It stores images as a collection of lines, curves, and shapes, allowing for scalability without loss of quality. WPG files can also be used as an image conversion guide, providing instructions for converting raster images to vector format or vice versa. This makes them useful for creating high-quality graphics for print and web. WPG files use a proprietary format developed by Corel. They support various vector graphics features, including layers, gradients, and text. When used as an image conversion guide, the WPG file may contain metadata or instructions on how to best convert a raster image to a vector format, specifying parameters like tracing methods and level of detail. There's a proprietary link between the WPG format and CorelDRAW Graphics Suite by Corel Corporation. To access all data streams, audio, video, subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows may display a simple preview, but true interaction requires compatible design tools. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the WPG file and choose Open With. Prioritize CorelDRAW Graphics Suite if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If the WPG file is still giving you trouble, relax. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, use CorelDRAW. Open the file using CorelDRAW Graphics Suite or Corel Presentations. Next, use Alternative Viewer. Open the file using a universal image viewer like IrfanView or XNView. Finally, convert to JPG PNG. Use the software's export function to save the image as a universal format like .jpg or .png. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.